Parts Express, the #1 source for audio, video, and speaker building components. Hi, I'm Michael with Parts Express. I'm here today to show you how easy it is to hide unsightly wires using Quest Technologies Raceway. We carry Raceway in 1/2 inch and 1 inch applications. Today we're going to use the 1/2 inch to hide this Cat 5e cable coming from the ceiling across around an outside corner, back to an inside corner, and ending in a T-bar. First we start by measuring the distance from the wall to the cable. Make our mark. Then we measure the distance from the ceiling to where we want the first section of our run to end. Make another mark. We then measure from that mark to the corner of the wall to get an idea of how long we need it. It's important to continue to hold your line from the ceiling down all the way through the run so you know everything is straight. You can double check this with a level. It's important to make multiple marks here, one for the surface mount raceway and another shorter mark for the cover lid. It's important to note that the right angle piece is curved, so we have to take necessary measurements in order to ensure that it lines up with our marks. Next, we take our measurements and transfer them to the cover lid and the surface mount raceway to ensure a proper fit. For today's application, we're using the Quest ratcheting PVC cutting tool. We open the safety latch and use the thumb switch to release the blade to the open position. We then squeeze the handle to ratchet the blade down into a closed position, thus cutting the PVC. We line the blade up with our marks and ratchet it down to cut through the raceway. Continue this process for the surface mount and cover lid, cutting on the pre-measured and marked lines. It's important to make sure all of your measurements are accurate, as the adhesive on the back of the surface mount raceway is one use only. We begin the assembly process by peeling the protective film off the back of the surface mount raceway. We line the raceway up with our previously measured marks and press firmly to adhere it to the wall. We continue this process with the rest of our pre-cut pieces. Notice how the surface mount raceway is split down the middle to allow you to guide the cable seamlessly through each section. We apply the cover lids to each section. Now that we've completed the cover lid section, we add our corner pieces. Ceiling drop down, the right angle piece, the outside corner, the inside corner. Finally, we apply the T-bar to direct our cable either downward or upward to continue our run. The cable raceway surface mount and cover lids come in 48-inch sections, allowing you to make your run as short or as long as needed for your application. As you can see, the raceway from Quest Technologies goes together in a snap and is perfect whether you're hiding HDMI cables or running data cables through your office building. And remember, it's affordable and available at Parts Express. Over 15,000 products, free same-day shipping on most orders, 45-day no-hassle returns, and free tech support. PartsExpress.com, the #1 source for audio, video, and speaker building components.